How's it going, everyone? So in this video, I'm going to do how to get rid of a double chin step-by-step tutorial. So before I get started, please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. I do appreciate the support. It helps my channel grow. Please follow me on Instagram, Dylanberg999. So first exercise that we are going to do, you guys, is we're going to do a teeth touching exercise. So you have your top teeth, your bottom teeth, you're just going to touch them gently, and this will work the chin area like this. Perfect, quick little break. The next exercise that we want to do is lifting our chin up like this. This stretches the area. It helps to get rid of it. That's 5, keep going, 6, 7. That's 10, we're going to keep going. 11, 12, really feel the stretch, you guys, 13. Perfect, quick little break. The next exercise that we're going to do is half circles. So you're going to go like this. You're just going to rotate your neck. This will help the chin. This actually works really, really nicely for getting rid of a double chin. Perfect, quick little break. We're then going to go back to teeth touches, so just like this. Perfect, quick little break. Okay, we're going to go back to lifting our chin up. Perfect, quick little break. Go back to teeth touches. Perfect. End of video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.